normal time and the quick time. The instruction is dropping now, and very soon we'll begin to see all of that.
We march fast, it's all quick time. Division the column. Right way, bar right. Right way, slow march.
That's it. That's the slow time. That's the slow time. The beautiful, amazing slow time. Until you look very carefully, you will think that they are standing at a place. No. There's a movement going on. That's the slow time. That's it. Of course, the NYSC band. They are bringing it up.
The leg's not correct, too.